Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. Hey, I'm about to get the smoker going out here and put some burgers on. And wanted to do a video of it right quick. We're gonna do some stuffed jalapeños to put on the burgers. And that's gonna come out real good. So anyway, let me show you what we got. We're just gonna smoke them in reverse flow. And what I'm gonna do is do an all charcoal cook with just 1 or 2 little pieces of cherry wood. Really, probably this right here is all I'll use. Instead of using oak or something. It don't take much of this cherry. Somebody gave me this, and it don't take much at all to get that flavor in there. You could probably get away just a few burgers. You could probably get away with that little chunk. But anyway, so it's gonna be all charcoal with just that. And then we're gonna do some stuffed jalapenos. I got some of them over here. Got some pretty good ones on there. So anyway, we're gonna take these, cut them in half. I'm gonna walk back over here right quick. We got a storm coming, sounds like. I hope it don't get rained out. Just gonna cut them in half and stuff them with cream cheese and breakfast sausage. And I already have that made up in this bag. We had some left over from another time. And it's just breakfast sausage in the roll, cooked up, and any kind of cream cheese you like, I reckon. They got a lot of different flavors of it, but this is just a regular cream cheese and a hot breakfast sausage. So we're just gonna cut them in half, stuff this in them. I'm not gonna wrap bacon on them. A lot of times you can put bacon on them. If you do put bacon, I recommend wrapping 1 time. I've seen people wrap 3 times on a pepper. And I can't believe that bacon's getting done on that 3rd layer. I just can't believe it. So when I do it, I wrap 1 time. A piece of bacon, you just gonna have to cut it off, you know, and then stick a toothpick in it. But we're gonna put some bacon on the burgers. We're just gonna cook it separate. That way it's nice and crispy. And then put it on there, put the peppers on top of that. So anyway, fix to get this, we'll get the pepper stuffed and get the smoker going and take it from there. All right, I got the burgers and peppers on. Got some bacon over here going. Once that bacon gets done, we'll do the buns over there also. Get some cheese on the burgers. Shouldn't be too much longer. I about waited too late and it's trying to get dark on me already, so we'll let it keep going. chicken breast on there to eat through the week. But anyway, we're gonna put one together. I got one of those buns a little too done, so I'm gonna use it. I wish I had started earlier so it wouldn't got dark on me. But I'm just using some regular Miracle Whip. I don't have a sauce for it or anything today. Really, the smoked burger is what's gonna make it. This isn't one you necessarily need a sauce on, but a sauce would be good. I kind of got bad timing on everything, knowing that it was getting dark, so I did the bacon earlier. Make sure you pull your stems off on the back side of that pepper. Some of them ain't that bad. So hopefully we got one that's pretty hot. That's good eating. Man, that's good. That's good. Man, I'm telling you that pepper. If you do your peppers like that, I know a lot of people put the bacon around them. I've seen a lot of people put fried ones on the burgers. But just cream cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, and breakfast sausage. And that's all it takes. Let it sit in the ice box after you mix it, get it all kind of hard. Put your peppers back in there afterwards so they kind of stiffen up some. And I'm telling you, smoke them. You can grill them. You can grill them off and get them done faster. I think the key is the smoked burger. It gives it a whole different taste than a grilled burger. Anyway, that'll do it on this one. Man, you get that burger first. And then while you're eating it, all that pepper flavor comes in. That'll do it on this one. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.